I want to welcome you to our tutorial of a dynamic word cloud generator called Tagxedo. Many of you may be familiar with Wordle, which is a similar tool, but Tagxedo allows you to create word clouds that are a bit more dressed up. Since a word cloud generator gives prominence to the words that appear most frequently in a text, you may find this tool useful in determining the main ideas or even comparing and contrasting two different texts. These clouds can be added to your projects. You can post them on your blogs or other social networking sites, or simply make some really interesting artwork to print out and share. Let's find out how to make a Tagxedo word cloud. We're going to go ahead and open up a browser and search for Tagxedo. I think of the word tuxedo for helping with the spelling. Tagxedo. And here it is. You can see on the right here there are some options for basic cloud creation from a URL, from a Twitter ID, or even an RSS feed, along with a few options for changing the shape, orientation, font, and theme. You can gain some inspiration by looking through the gallery at a variety of images that people were able to create. We're going to start by creating something similar to those in the gallery. So let's start here by selecting Create. So we can see first an example of a customized cloud, this one of the Mona Lisa. I want to start by loading in some of our own text. So we go under Words to Load. And I've been researching the issue of cyberbullying, and I would really like a powerful graphic for my blog. So I've pre-selected my text from a Word document, and I'm going to go ahead and paste it into the box which reads Enter Text. I'm not going to worry about the formatting at this point, and go ahead and hit Submit. Close out of that menu, and we see an image that is more of a basic shape, but right off the bat we can see what the theme of that text is. In Tagxedo, you can roll over any of the words in your cloud to see them bigger. I think the first thing I'd like to change is the shape of the cloud. So I'm going to select the arrow next to Shape under Options, and we're provided with several different shapes. Let me see if there's something here that'll work. I think I'll choose the hand. Kind of look like it's signaling stop, which would definitely work for the topic. You can also upload any shape that you wish down here at Add Image, just like we saw in that main gallery. It takes some tweaking to get the words to form a shape that's recognizable, but it definitely works best with a black and white shape, something like a silhouette. I'm pretty happy with the hand shape, but let's work on the color theme. Under Respins, select the arrow next to Theme, and you can see each option provides you with both a background color and about 4 or 5 text colors. I'm going to try a few and just see what pops. Alright, that looks pretty good. Let's just say that I changed my mind and I really liked the one that we looked at before, but I can't remember what that theme was called. An extremely useful feature in Tagxedo is that it tracks your cloud's history. Under Options, click on History, and we can see all of the steps of our cloud all the way back to that Mona Lisa. I'm going to go ahead and click on this previous theme. Now we can very simply change the font under Respins Font menu. And let's see, upon closer inspection, for example, let's say that I didn't want the word face in my tag cloud. Under Options, Word Layout Options, we can skip any of the words in our cloud. I'm going to scroll down and look for face. And here it is. We're just going to click it and it marks it as skip. And then when we hit accept, our cloud will respin into a new Word format. Another change that's very easy to make is repositioning words. Let's say I didn't like the positioning of the word school. So what we want to do is lock the theme, font, and orientation since we're happy with those. And then we're just going to click on the spinning layout button and the words will respin into a new position. So now that we have our final image, I want to save it so that I can use it as the header of my blog posting. Under Words, go to Save, Share, and Print. And you'll see that it gives you many options for saving in different formats, sizes, or even sending it directly to the printer. Just going to save it as a JPEG. And now it'll be ready to use. So as you can see, this is a great site to play around with. There's an infinite number of combinations for the overall look of the cloud you want to produce. We hope you'll find this a useful tool worth exploring. Tagxedo.com, Word Clouds with Style.